It's storming, so let's get the bike apart so that we can replace this front bearing. Dang. Oh shit. What was this? I had to close the garage because the water was getting in. And so I can just get to the steering stem. This is the most annoying thing I've ever seen. And there were multiple things that I had to like fix, which wasn't really a big deal, but I was just like, you know, as long as it keeps working, and it all evens out at some point, but it obviously did not even out. Alright, front wheel.